Today we're going to be taking a look at the lowest priced new construction homes available in all of Port St Lucie. They build these homes on what's called scattered lots, meaning you'll have no HOA fees, more space from your neighbors, bigger backyards, and more freedom on what you can do with your home. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Raphael Gonzalez. I'm a real estate agent that does a lot of work and help a lot of people here in Port St Lucie. So this home is going to give you either 2 or 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, about 1,240 square feet under air, and a 1-car garage. On the 2-bedroom model, the master bedroom and the dining room are larger, but otherwise they're essentially the same home. What's interesting is that this builder essentially modeled these after the homes the original developer in Port St Lucie built. They noticed those older homes were for sale and in need of a lot of repairs, needed a new roof and windows, and were made out of wood frame, making the insurance a lot harder to get and more expensive. So this year, the builder started offering these homes, but with concrete block construction and everything brand new, covered under warranty, but with no upgrades available to keep the price lower. This fills a need for more affordable housing in Port St Lucie, and it's a blank canvas. I have connections with contractors who can change out the flooring and countertops and make your vision for your home come to life. Maybe you're a first-time home buyer or a retiree going to be on a fixed income, or you just don't need a lot of space or empty rooms. If you're looking to own a home like this, reach out to me directly. I have access to new homes just like this one and work with a mortgage loan officer who's been able to help clients of mine with different situations. And together, we will be able to work with you. So I know this is different than a lot of the homes I've shown on the channel before, but it has its place and a purpose. If after walking through this home with me, something resonated with you and you feel like this home is what you're looking for and what you need, call me and I'd be happy to help you through the process.